Hello everyone, and welcome back to another HTML video. In this video we're going to be talking about spans and divs. So span adds markup to text or portion of a document, whereas div defines a division of a document. So I know it sounds scary, but just bear with me, it's really simple. So we're going to start off with div. As for div, you just start off with div, and you have an opening tag and a closing tag. So the opening tag is the beginning of the division and the closing tag is the end of the division. So we would like to define from here to here as the division, and that's how you do it. But then to do things to it, you add style, and that is another CSS property, but we can use it in HTML. As you can see, background color, and then you can set the background color to whatever you want. I'll set it to 444444, which is dark gray. And there you go. We have a division from here to here. These two paragraphs are, the background of the paragraphs is dark gray. And if you move this here, and you'll see that it's only this division right here. But we don't want that, we want the whole thing. So I'm going to delete this and turn it back to here. Oh, it's not working. And there you go. So moving on, you can do span. Span is just for text. So as you can see, I'll show you right here. So you have the opening tag and the closing tag, and it works just like the div. So let's say we just want this sentence right here. So the span is from here to here. So with this span, we would like to style it. And for the style, we want the color to be, say, red. Save. And then this sentence only is red. And then you can also just do the same thing, say we just want to highlight this last word, so span and then say style, and we can just color it whatever we want. Let's say aqua, and there you go. So that's it for span and divs in HTML. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future HTML and computer science videos.